Them said the couple that thief together stay together. But story come to bump and just now they're stealing. And them say Apple not top bring down Jay with her. So let's get into the story because I got a whole lot more information. So them a thief from long time. It says a couple based in United States have been arrested in connection to alleged shoplifting in New Milford, Connecticut. And I thought everybody did tell me that they've been arrested before. Jayicon Richards, 41, and a party promoter popularly known as Jayicon, and a woman spouse, a Kiwi, Laws Richards, 42, popularly known as Apple, are also under investigation for a number of similar alleged shoplifting incidents at various home goods stores in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. Observer Online understands that both were charged with larceny, conspiracy to commit larceny, and second-degree forgery. Charges stem from an alleged shoplifting incident at a Home Goods in New Milford on February 25. That's in 2022, 2 years ago. According to a Facebook post from the Southbury Police Department, its officers were alerted to two individuals who allegedly stole several items from the store in New Milford. Following the notification of an alleged New Milford theft, Southbury officers responded to another home goods store in the town of Southbury. While on scene, the police reportedly spotted a vehicle that matched the description of the suspect's vehicle parked outside. Upon their arrest, the couple were allegedly found in possession of a large amount of fraudulent home goods receipts, fake driver's license from the tri-state area, a retail theft device, and other stolen items. It is understood that the Jamaicans are well known in the entertainment circles and were released on bond this week and are expected to appear in court later this month. And this is from the first charge in 2022, so a long time then the thief and not just now. So in that case in 2022, that is a class C misdemeanor, and depends on how much things you have. I assuming that they didn't have a lot of stuff and they probably didn't serve any time and were got out on like a year's probation and community service because it was probably the first time that they got caught stealing. And especially if they have a really good lawyer that can talk the judge down, they'll probably get 6 months probation, few months community service. It just depends. But this one, I think they're definitely going to serve jail time, especially with the brand and the place that they stole from and how much they stole. So if you guys don't know what they did this year, let's fast forward. A glamorous couple who are regularly decked out in designer brands have been accused of stealing more than $1 million worth of Lululemon's clothing from across America. Jamaican dancehall promoter Jayicon Richardson, 44, and his wife Aquili Apple Laws Richardson, 45, were accused of stealing products across 4 different states. And like I said in my initial video, I wanted to know how exactly they did it. Was it one store in one state or multiple stores in different states? And as you can see, it's stealing from 4 different states, multiple stores. The couple show off their lavish lifestyle on their social media pages, where they are seen sporting luxury clothing and expensive accessories. Their expensive taste is also shared by their children, who are pictured head to toe in stylish brand name clothing, while the couple pose photos with luxury cars, aboard yacht, and on beach vacations. The pair were arrested on November 14 in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, and charged with organized theft. The couple, who had allegedly stolen products from the stores in Utah, Colorado, New York, and Connecticut, were stopped exiting a store in Minnesota after the detectors went off. So Utah, Colorado, New York, and Connecticut, they went to the Lululemon stores and were stealing. So that's 4 different states. Richards accused the store of racially profiling him, and they were allowed to leave until the couple were later arrested in Minneapolis suburb. A Lululemon investigator claimed the pair targeted several different locations the day before and stole at least 45 items valued at $5,000, reported to the USA Today. Laws Richardson was released Tuesday on $30,000 bail, while Richards was released Thursday on $100,000 bail, according to NBC News. Both Richardson and Laws Richards denied any involvement in the thefts and claimed they were only staying with their aunt and had only been in Minnesota for a day. Officers found several credit cards and debit cards on the couple, as well as access cards to a Marriott hotel room. After obtaining a search warrant, officers found 12 suitcases in their room. 3 suitcases were filled with Lululemon clothing with tags attached worth over $50,000, according to the arrest complaint. The pair are accused in 8 Colorado theft incidents between October 29th, 30th, and 7 thefts in Utah on November 6th and 7th, reported in the US Today newspaper. In a statement, Lululemon's president of Assets Protection, Tristan Shields, said that the company is committed to creating a safe and secure environment for staff and shoppers. The outcome continues to underscore our ongoing collaboration with law enforcement and our investment in advanced technology, team training, and investigative capabilities to combat retail crime and hold offenders accountable, Shield told NBC News. We remain dedicated to continue these efforts to address and prevent this industry-wide issue. The word on the street that I have been getting is that Jayicon is actually a United States citizen. Apple is a permanent resident, and this is allegedly. The only thing I know for sure is Jayicon is a United States citizen. I'm not quite sure of Apple's status. So to me personally, what I think is going to happen is that Jay, because he's a citizen, he's going to take the brunt of this case. He is going to say that he is the one that did it and his wife is not guilty, or he forced her to do it and she didn't want to do it. Because under Donald Trump, they are going to start doing mass deportation, and crimes like these are one of the reasons that you can get deported. You can also be denaturalized for crimes and back to your original country. So I think that's what they're planning to do, is saying that Jay is the one that did this and Apple was not involved. Also to protect the kids, so someone is at home with the kids if he has to do time. And I'm saying if, like, I don't know, he is definitely going to time if that's the route they take, and that's just my opinion, because it's $1 million worth of goods and it's probably going to be Fed time. Apple is probably going to get off and owe restitution to the state. So the word on the street is Jay is a popular dancehall promoter. He does great business, and Apple is his wife. And according to the people, them say Apple make Jay they do this because Jay don't need to do it. Allegedly, I saw them. I say, I'm not sure. I mean, not these people's life, and I know them business. But according to what I've been told, they're saying that Apple is the cause of this, and ever since Jay got with Apple, his life has been going downhill ever since. And Jay comes from a well put together, well established, well connected family. And I saved a lot of Apple and Jay's Instagram pictures and videos. I actually didn't put their kids in my video for reasons, because I don't like talking about kids and I don't like involving kids in grown people stuff. But I saved some of their pictures and videos, and now that I have gone back to go look, they're gone. And the reason they probably deactivated or deleted their Instagram is because everybody has been talking about it on all social media platforms, whether that be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and they have been going viral, and people have been going to on their Instagram to go look at their pictures and the lifestyle that they live. Also, prosecutors are probably going to post the pictures when they go to trial of their Instagram and the lifestyle that they live to show corroboration to their theory of theft. They're funding their lifestyle by stealing stuff. So that's probably why they deleted their Instagram pages. Well, that is all the information that I have gotten, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be staying up to date with this case. If you want to, please click like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.